Hello, hippos. I hope you guys are having a nice weekend. I am so excited to begin reading 3 more books about robots. The first one is called Beep Beep, Go to Sleep. And the little boy is in his pajamas, in his bed, and there are 3 robots. Let's count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's find out what happens with the boy and the 3 robots. Okay. 3 little robots. Time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Those are lights. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. And power down. See, they're turning off their power. The little boy is bringing them to bed. Quiet at last. Not a peep. 3 little robots are beep, beep. See the arm? One of the robots is turning on the light. Is something wrong? Yes, I need my coil, says the robot. My sensor aches. I want some more oil. Okay, are you better now? Then rest your head. So 3 little robots go back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are beep, beep. Uh-oh, they're awake again. What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight. Quiet at last, not a peep. The 3 little robots are beep, beep. Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, and no more squawking. No more blipping, boinking, blinking, winking, whirring, squinking, oinking. Oinking? Go to sleep. How do you think the boy feels right now? Yeah, he seems really angry, doesn't he? Why is he so angry? Quiet at last, not a peep. The 3 little robots are... Do you think they're going to stay sleeping? Let's find out. Beep, beep. What now? You need what? Look at what the robots are holding. What do you think they need? Let's find out. Oh, that's what you need. A bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots, snuggled deep. They finally put their boy to sleep. Look at this robot up here saying shh. The boy is sleeping. The end. Let's pretend that you had 3 robots that shared a room with you. What would your robots be doing if they woke you up? That's all for now. Thanks, everybody. Bye, hippos. See you next time.